going to try to do this. Hold him and wrangle him and hold my camera at the same time. Why is my flash on? I didn't designate for my flash to come on. No, you stay here with me. We're not getting on the floor. No, we're not. And that kitty's trying to come over here and harass you, so I'm trying to keep you on the bed. Yeah. We've had a rough few weeks, huh, Chewy? People tend to say he hasn't had a problem with it, but I've seen how he's acting, so he knows things aren't right. Yeah, I'm sorry. You're not getting on the computer desk. The rules never change just because something in the house did. Nope, rules never change, my boy. Hey, come here. Say that. Say, you got a hold on me. Yes, I'm holding your neck so you won't go knock everything off my shelves. There. He's huge. It's warm in here, huh? Our temps have been up in the upper 80s, so they've been huffing and puffing a little bit. You want to go look out the window? Here, not over there. Want to look out the window? Look. Look at there. Say, no, that's not what I want. I want to get on that computer desk and knock everything over like I just knocked your camera over a minute ago. And he's a big snake. No. 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 Come here. My snakes all went from hook training to nose taps, so they respond to my hand on their nose. No. No. You stay here. He's determined to knock everything down over here around my bed. Which is common for him, but it's keeping his mind occupied. No. No, sir. Say, yeah, I am. You watch me. I'm going to get up there and knock all that stuff down. You better not. That's my new gaming computer monitor. I'll have a fit if you break that. Stop. Relax. Relax. You know, it's important to let your snake know that regardless of how gentle you are with them and how calm you are with them, that makes your approach to them positive in their opinion and in their eyes. But if you're stressed out and nervous, you're giving them signals that are negative and they react to negativity. But the thing is, regardless of how you approach them, you're better off being relaxed when you do it. But you really, I can't stress enough how important it is to learn to read their body language. Because it tells you everything you need to know about how that snake's feeling at any certain time. You're not getting on the computer desk. And now listen, they are stubborn. But the thing is, you have to always let them know that you still have control. Even if they freak you out, even if they strike at you, even if they spook you, even if they bite you, you don't relinquish that control over them. Because once you do, they take advantage of it. They're like, huh, that was easy. I can do that from now on, and I don't have to deal with her telling me what I have to do. So you're better off, in all reality, being able to control your snakes at any given point in time. Because in a way, the fact that you can control them assures them that they're safe with you. It might not make sense to you, but from a snake's point of view, it would. Because they know if you can still control them, then they can be safe with you. But if you step back and you stand back from them and you're afraid of them and you're nervous about them, then that tells them, hey, that person's insecure. I can get by with anything I want to. So that's kind of the way they think. I've seen it in action, thousands at times, that's how they relate to things. I don't want you over there. I don't want that cat in here bugging you. No, come on back up here, noodlehead. But I'm doing this to help occupy his time and his mind, because he's been sitting there staring at Jade's empty enclosure for a couple of days and nights now. So I just wanted to preoccupy him, get him doing something to keep his mind active. Actually, brain stimulation's very good for your snakes, and they don't get that. They just lay around their enclosure all the time. They're not getting that stimulation. Uh-oh, here comes the pain in the butt one. Lily. She likes to boop my snakes on the nose. But yeah. Sorry I'm shaky. It's hard to hold this big boy on my lap with the cat on my left that wants to come up here and bop him on the nose. Lily wants to come up here and beat him on the nose, so it's kind of hard doing 40 things at a time with 2 hands. No, you don't need to go bother Lily. How about I put this back up here? You want to get in here? How about that? No. You can get back in your tote if you want to. Is that what you want to do? Huh? You want to get back in your tote? You can do that. You're not getting on that desk and knocking my monitor and everything off, though. But yeah, it's important to them to know that they can feel safe and secure with you, and they don't if you're uncomfortable with working with them and handling them. They interpret your behavior. You know, snakes can sense anything about a person. A complete stranger can walk up to them and they know when something's not just right about that person. And I've seen my snakes. My son had a friend that came here with him 2 or 3 times, and every time that kid came to my door, he wasn't even near my cage. Grumpy'd start attacking the cage. So snakes are very perceptive about people. I don't know how it is that they can read people as well as they can, but they're very good at it. So, you know, if you walk up to a snake and you're nervous and you're afraid of getting bit, you're telling that snake, okay, I'm vulnerable. And you don't want to be in that position. If anything, you want to assure your snake that you're in control. You want your snake to know that you're in control and that you're not vulnerable, because if you're vulnerable, that gives them the upper hand. And you really don't need to sort it out like that. You're supposed to meet each other halfway. It's called a bond. It's called understanding and mutual respect. So yeah, that's, you know, don't be afraid of your snakes. Yeah, it hurts a little bit. Big snakes like this, it hurts quite a bit. But, you know, you back away from them, and it stops you from working with them. You're telling that snake, oh, that worked. That was effective. I can do that anytime I want to if I want her to leave me alone or I want to get my way. They do have a thinking process. People don't seem to grasp that concept for some reason, that snakes are thinking, planning machines, technically. They have to calculate constantly to defend their lives and to protect themselves. So they're always thinking and always aware of everything going on around them. They do some pretty goofy things from time to time. But yeah, they are thinking, reasoning animals. Look at that pretty purple tongue. But I figured I'd get Chewy out after Jade died and give him something to do. Just go do your deed. Just go lay on my lap. Huh? You're just going to lay on my lap out here? Yeah, he's big. You want to get back in here? Why not? You spread your towel back out for you. There you go. You can get back in there if you want to. You want to be in here? You can be. There you go. Sorry about that. I'm worn out just from bringing you out. I got to teach you to come out on your own. Yes, I do. I got to teach you to come out by yourself. Yeah, he knows. He's through turning his head away from me when I try to make eye contact with him. So we're pretty much back on our normal routine again. He'll be fine. That was what I was worried about, how he was going to handle it. People think they don't have feelings, but you know, I'm sorry. They do. Here, let's go this way. Show people how big you got. Come here, pal. There you go. I was so excited about having babies by him and Jade. I'm not going to dwell on that today because I really cried about all I want to for a while. Broke my heart. He's such a good snake, and she was too, but we can't always deal our own deck of cards, I guess, can we, huh? Chew. That's it, go get in the shade. So I'm going over here and get cooled off. It's hot out there, it's about 86. But you can see how big he is. You need to use the bathroom, though. Yeah. Why don't you go finish using the bathroom? Huh? Why don't you go use the bathroom? Back to sniffing and tasting Jade in the plastic tote. Chewy, you're impossible. Let's just not go on my knee, okay? Let's not go potty on my knee. Alright, you can keep tasting your girlfriend if you want to, I guess. That's alright. Trying to get him out and get him roaming around so he would excrete waste other than urate, because he did that in his enclosure. So I want him to finish up. Because he ate, oddly enough, he ate 2 colossal rats the night before Jade passed away. So he's got a full belly. And I was thinking about that, people were going to see in that video. He's sitting in the corner and staring out like that and reacting like that because he's hungry. I said, no, he's not hungry. He just ate the night before Jade died, which was only 3 nights ago. So he wasn't looking for food. He was definitely staring at her empty enclosure. Sorry about the shakes. I'm so short-winded. He is so heavy to bring out by myself. I only weigh 122 pounds. Yeah. We'll get past this, won't we, Chewy? Say, we'll get past it. Turn you this way. There we go. That better? And I'm still sniffing my girlfriend here. You gonna come out and use the bathroom for me, please? Come finish your job.